How to use the installer mode. To start, press the menu button on the Push Pro remote control. Navigate to and enable the installer mode option. Select Activate to set your Push Pro remote control to function as a standard remote control. Once in installer mode, the menu button will function as a P2 button. You can now add additional shades by following the standard remote control programming steps. To copy a channel from your existing remote to the Push Pro, select the channel that you want to transfer. Press the P2 button on the existing remote. The shade will jog and beep once. Press the P2 button again, and the shade will jog and beep again. Now, on your Push Pro remote, select the channel you wish to program. Then, press the P2 button on the Push Pro remote within 4 seconds to save the copied channel. The shade will jog twice and beep 3 times to confirm that the channel has been copied. The newly added shade will be named SH01, indicating it is the first shade added. Subsequent shades will follow the same naming sequence. You can also change the shade name to whatever you find most convenient. Now, you should be able to control the shade using the Push Pro remote control.